Alright, 3Gs guys, well, went ahead and put the original fuel pump on that probably has 339,000 miles on it from 1988. I primed it already and it's working. I can hear it. I can hear it when I turn the key. So I went ahead and keyed it a few times just to make sure it's coming up and check for leaks. Pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up here. I hadn't run this car in a while, so yeah, it needs to be run, so we'll see what happens. There it goes. So alright, we gotta check for leaks real quick. Apologize for the audio, might not be that great, so I'm gonna check the front. That looks good. I got 40 pounds of pressure. It's right where I've been running, and I'm going to check the back here. Got a pretty decent little light. Oh yeah. So no leaks. And again, that's the original. And yeah, she's running good. Let's see what the air fuel ratio is. Kind of got to move around here fast. And yeah, that's right. For the car's cold, and I run E85, so I run 40 pounds of static fuel pressure, and I'm gonna run a little rich while it's cold, which is right. And as it warms up, you're gonna see it go up to 14.7. So, all right, we're back running again. So, looking pretty good. Now, the big thing is. Well, not the big thing, but originally I changed wherever my fuel pump is. I changed this fuel pump to a new one because I kept losing fuel pressure when you shut the ignition off. And yeah, it didn't fix the problem, and then this one quit. Pretty sure this one is really dead because electrically when you turn it on you don't even hear it buzz, so probably something wrong with the motor inside of it. But yeah, so looks pretty good being in E85. You know, I know that's a big issue for some people. It's not for me, but I don't see any problems with it other than it just quit. So yeah, so as I'm gonna let this, like I said, I'm gonna let this run a while. Leave the doors open. Good, and I'm gonna take it out for a ride in a day or two. We'll see how I feel here, but some of that oil and stuff burning off. Probably gonna smoke real good, but yeah, not bad for the old original. 30 pounds or 40 pounds of pressure. Well, thanks for looking, and please subscribe to the channel when you can. Thank you.